Coming to another parasitic weed, Striga, commonly called as witchweed, found mostly in sugarcane, maize, corn, sorghum, and other crops. It is a devastating parasitic weed in African countries, Western Africa, and it mostly found in Australia too, and also in India. It belongs to the family Scorpiculaceae. Dicot, which is annual or biennial herb, grows 10 to 50 centimeter tall, found in cultivated soils, roadsides, grasslands, and other cereal crops. Here you can notice the flowering branch. It is Striga aspera. This is Striga asiatica, and you can find other species like Striga hermanthia, Striga passiflora, etc. This is a partial root parasite. Identification of Striga. This is 15 to 30 centimeters tall. You can see purplish in color, above ground appearance. Most important character is this above ground stem will have tetragonal in shape, four-sided. Check here, four-sided and covered with rough hairs. Other important character is bell-like haustorium. See this haustorium, it produces bell-like swellings. Bell-like swellings when it is attached to the root. Distinguished by bell-like swellings where roots attach the host. This is important identification character. Four-sided stem and bell-like swellings. Coming to dispersal, the seeds are very small, 0.5 mm only. You can notice here. The seeds can be dispersed by either wind or endozoary or animal feces or by man or by livestock. All these facilitate the dispersal of Striga seeds. Coming to life cycle of Striga, Striga seeds are generally dormant for years. Whenever there are favorable environmental conditions, these Striga seeds will be germinating under the influence of strigolactones. These seeds will be producing germ tube initially. From this germ tube, haustorium will be produced. This haustorium will be attaching to the host plant, to the root of host plant. Once after attachment, it penetrates into the vascular system, that is xylem, for its nutritional requirements and water requirements. After taking its nutritional requirements, it emerges from the ground. When it emerges 50 to 55 days after sowing of the host plant. After emerging, it produces flowers and matures itself. The seeds will be multiple thousands in number. They will be dispersed by various means like wind, etc. This is how Striga will be attacking the host plants and completely dependent for the host plant for its survival. Management of Striga, the best option is prevention. So hand weeding is the best option before emerging from the ground. Other one is Striga is generally aggravated by poor soil fertility. So proper fertility should be maintained in the field. Next, use of legume trap crops like cowpea, groundnut, desmodium, etc. or intercropping with sorghum and maize significantly reduced the Striga because of its dispersion and suppression and allelopathy. Next, incorporation of organic manures increases the competitive ability of host crop. Next, nitrogen should be efficiently supplied and frequent irrigation also reduces Striga emergence. 1 year trap cropping of cotton depleted more than 90% of Striga seed bank in the soil according to Becker et al. Seed treatment with imidazoline herbicide to create weed-free zone near the corn crop and up to 12 weeks free of Striga, followed by mid-season application of glyphosate. This is also reduces Striga in corn crop. 2,4-D is also found effective in Striga group at the rate of 0.5 to 0.75 kg per hectare. Seed coating of imagiθ resistant maize seeds with imagiθ at the rate of 30 gram per hectare also found effective. USAD, Dharwad AMF consortium at the rate 2 kg per hectare with 500 kg per hectare compost in sugarcane at the time of planting found effective control in Striga. Push and pull model for Striga management, which is cost effective and environmental friendly model. Here Napier grass is grown as a boundary crop. It acts as a pull. Maize and desmodium are a intercrop. This desmodium is a push crop. This desmodium produces defensive odors. That defensive odors repel the stem borers. These stem borers will be entering into the or lays eggs onto the Napier grass and that doesn't germinate or doesn't grow and larvae fail to survive. Whereas this desmodium produces some defensive chemicals. These chemicals will, like strigolactones, will stimulate Striga germination. Because of no host crop for attachment of Striga like maize, these Striga seeds will be died. This is called suicidal germination. Hence, This maize crop will be escaped from Striga, and this desmodium and maize crop will be escaped from the stem borers. This is how push and pull model act.